Okay guys, we're out here at MLC, brand new building completed by 2 Construct. McIldowie Partners Architects were involved here. What we've got here is a large format dual slider. You can see this first leaf opens up because of the handle location for DDA compliance. It stops there. Todd, if you just walk around here. I just want to show you how easy these foot bolts are to operate. It literally is a foot operated foot bolt. Flicks open. As soon as I do that, I can push both doors back into that open position. So we get a fully open dual slider. This one's a face fixed system, has a recessed dual head track. When I want to close this door, I simply open up this front leaf. It picks up the second leaf that's now pushing behind me. Very easy operation. Once it's in this position, I just push this location down, foot bolt's engaged, job's done.